Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a simple yet powerful way to organize your finances and budgets, today I'm going to show you how to do it inside Clickup using one of their ready-made templates. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set up a budget system, but you'll also see exactly how to customize it to fit your personal or business needs. So let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about why Clickup is perfect for budgeting. While most people think of Clickup as just a task manager, it's actually a super flexible workspace that can handle anything from project management to personal planning. And yes, even your finances. Go ahead and log into your Clickup account. If you're new, I recommend signing in with Google. It's quick, secure, and saves you a couple of steps. Now, once you're in, the real magic begins with templates. Templates are like pre-built frameworks you can use right away. To access them, head over to the list where you want to keep your finances. Click on the three dots next to the list title, then choose Templates and select Browse Templates. Here's where you'll see a ton of options. In the search bar, type in budget, you'll get several results. But for this guide, I recommend using the personal budget template. It's clean, simple, and gives you everything you need to start without being overwhelming. Click on Quick Use, and boom, it's instantly added to your list. Now let's customize it to make it truly yours. Start by renaming the template. Click the three dots again, select Rename, and change it to something like 2025 Budget Plan or whatever fits your style. Inside the template, you'll see pre-made tasks and categories. These represent things like expenses, savings, or income. You can edit each one to match your actual budget categories, like rent, groceries, subscriptions, or freelance income, and don't stop there. If you want to track additional expenses, just hit Add Task and create a new category. You can also assign due dates for recurring bills or even add custom fields to track amounts, payment status, or notes. The best part? Since this is ClickUp, you can view your budget in different layouts like list view, board view, or even calendar view to see when payments are due. That flexibility makes it way easier to stay on top of everything. So in just a few clicks, you've gone from a blank workspace to a fully functioning financial tracker that you can update and expand as needed. And that's it. With ClickUp's templates and customization options, you now have a budget system that's organized, accessible, and totally tailored to you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more ClickUp tips and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.